Hello again, it's Noob, and here we have a Union, made by Asa Abloy these days, although apparently still made in England, Union 3102 padlock. Now I think I've already picked one of these about 5 years ago, so quite early on in my picking career, but this particular one was given to me last year by Pick Wizard, who essentially owns UK Locksport forum. So yeah, I owe him a lot, and it looks like he just handed this to me basically out of his pocket. It looks like the key is shrouded. Now, I don't know why. I think it was just to make sure it doesn't scratch the nice full all brass body of the lock. But nevertheless, we shall pick it as if it was a challenge. And we will probably go bottom of the keyway with this nice 1.3mm tension tool and a gem, and we'll just have a go and see what we can find out here. So pin, I think, so hold on, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it's a 6 pinner. Okay, so that's pin 4. This feels like pin 1 now. Quite high, there we go. Who else do we have here? Pin 2 there, going along. I just hit pin 4 and it moved a little bit. So pin 3 now, feel. Just checking pin 1, everybody's picked, okay. Back to 6, 5, oh, 5, and we are open. Look at that. Now, I guess this was a 6 pinner. I could be a bit wrong, but let's have a look at the key. Okay, so it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, it's a 5 pinner. I think, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, a 5 pin lock. So I thought it was 6, it was actually 5. That's probably why it opened a bit quicker than I expected. And there we go. So lovely, lovely lock. Gifted to me by Pick Wizard. Thank you so much. I hope you liked the video. If you did, leave a like. Got a comment about this lock, then please leave one below. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really helps my channel out, and I'll see you all next time.